In a world where the automotive industry is evolving faster than ever, one name stands above the rest. A company that didn't just join the EV revolution, it started it. Today, we're diving deep into the real reasons why. Tesla is considered by millions to be the best car on the road, and why owners say there's simply no going back after switching. This is not hype. This is engineering, innovation, and future thinking at its finest. Welcome to MotoTech Homes. The vision behind Tesla. To understand why Tesla dominates, you need to understand its mission. Unlike traditional car companies built on decades of gasoline engines, Tesla was engineered from day one as an electric-first, software-first, future-first company. While others were making small steps, Tesla made leaps. While others waited for consumer demand, Tesla created demand. This mindset alone puts Tesla in a league of its own. Elon Musk's goal wasn't to build a car. It was to build the future of transportation and bring it to the present. Unmatched electric power and performance. Let's talk performance, because this is where Tesla shocks people. Teslas don't just accelerate fast, they redefine what acceleration means. Instant torque, no gears, no delay, no noise, just pure explosive electric power. The Model S Plaid, 0 to 60 mph in under 2 seconds, over 1,020 horsepower, quarter-mile times that rival supercars worth millions. Even Tesla's most affordable vehicles, like the Model 3 or Model Y, out-accelerate BMWs, Audis, and Mercedes in similar price ranges. This is possible because Tesla doesn't convert gas cars into electric ones. They engineer every component, battery, motors, software, to work together as a single optimized system. Tesla battery technology. The battery is the heart of any EV, and Tesla builds the best hearts in the industry. Why? Because they design their own battery chemistry, their own cooling systems, their own battery management software, and now, even their own 4680 cells. This gives Tesla longer range, faster charging, better durability, lower costs, higher energy density. Other companies buy batteries. Tesla creates them. Their battery longevity is so strong that many Teslas cross 300,000 plus miles with minimal degradation, something unheard of in traditional EVs. Supercharger Network. Now let's address the biggest reason people fear EVs, charging. Here's why Tesla wins. Tesla didn't wait for governments or gas stations to build chargers. They built their own global charging network, the largest, fastest, most reliable system in the world. Over 50,000 superchargers, more added every week. Most EV networks, slow, crowded, sometimes offline, expensive, unpredictable. Tesla's network. Plug in, it works, ultra-fast charging speeds, only for Tesla owners until recently. Stops automatically calculated into your trip. This is a massive advantage that no competitor can match. Owning a Tesla makes road trips effortless. Software, over-the-air updates and features. Here's something no traditional car company can match. Tesla cars get better after you buy them. Your Tesla updates itself just like a smartphone. Over-the-air updates can add faster acceleration, longer range, better autopilot, new safety features, new entertainment apps, enhanced charging speeds, full UI redesigns, no dealership, no tools, no appointment, just a notification on your screen. Competitors may add a few updates, but nobody updates an entire car ecosystem like Tesla. Your car evolves, grows, and improves over time for free. This alone makes Tesla the best value overtime car you can buy. Tesla, Autopilot, and full self-driving. Whether people love or criticize it, one thing is undeniable. Tesla is years ahead in real-world driving data. Their Autopilot and FSD systems are powered by billions of miles of training data from actual users. The car sees using 8 cameras, AI neural networks, real-time prediction, automatic lane changing, traffic-aware cruise control, stop sign and traffic light control, parking assist, auto steer on highways. While other companies rely on expensive sensors, LiDAR, or limited geo-fenced areas, Tesla uses vision, AI, and real-time learning. Is it perfect? Not yet. But the trajectory is unmatched. Tesla is building the world's largest self-driving dataset, giving them an advantage that grows every single day. Safety. Tesla's most overlooked strength. Drive a Tesla once, and you'll immediately feel it. The low center of gravity from the battery pack makes Teslas incredibly stable. The front crumple zone is larger because there's no engine. The entire body is built like a protective cage. Crash ratings? Tesla dominates every category, consistently scoring some of the safest results ever recorded. Advanced safety is built into every car, including automatic emergency braking, collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, pedestrian detection, side collision warning, lane assist systems. Teslas don't just protect you, they actively prevent collisions. Interior and cabin simplicity. Tesla interiors are controversial, but intentional. Instead of dozens of buttons, knobs, switches, you get a clean, minimalist cockpit manual designed around a single powerful touchscreen. It looks futuristic, feels futuristic, and reduces distractions. But there's also practicality. Huge storage space, massive glass roof, wireless updates, premium audio, ventless climate system, digital key via phone, integrations with Tesla app. Everything works together. Everything feels modern. Everything feels alive. Cost of ownership is shockingly low. A big reason people choose Tesla is money. Here's where Tesla destroys gas cars. No oil changes, no spark plugs, no belts, no filters, no emissions testing, no engine failures, no transmission replacements. EVs are already cheaper to maintain. But Teslas take this to another level. And with electricity costing far less than gas, owners save hundreds to thousands every year. Over time, Tesla becomes one of the cheapest cars to own, even if the upfront price is higher. The Tesla ecosystem. Tesla is more than a car. It's an ecosystem. Solar panels, power walls, superchargers, energy storage, AI systems, autonomous driving, robotaxi future, home integration with Tesla app. Owning a Tesla is like stepping into a future where your house, your energy, and your car all work together. It's clean, it's efficient, it's sustainable, and it's a lifestyle. No other automaker offers anything close. Why millions say Tesla is the best? So, why is Tesla the best? Because it represents something bigger than transportation. It's the fastest, smartest, safest, most efficient, most upgradable, most innovative car you can buy today. Tesla didn't just build a vehicle, they built the blueprint for the future of mobility. And whether you love or hate them, one thing is clear. Tesla changed the world, and they're not done yet. Don't forget to subscribe to MotoTech Homes for more future-driven automotive videos. Which Tesla feature impressed you most? Comment below and stay tuned. The future is rolling in fast.